In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your propellers the correct way because it is crucial for a smooth and safe flight. So I'm going to be showing you step by step. Step 1. We need to identify the types of propellers because FPV drones use two types of propellers. We got clockwise and counterclockwise. The way to identify them is by looking at the markings or check the blade direction. Higher edges should face forward in spin. Step 2. Make sure you match the props to your motors. Make sure that your props are not upside down. If you don't know what propeller direction your drone spins, make sure you check with the manufacturer. But the standard is props in. So make sure that your front left and your back right are spinning clockwise. And then make sure that your front right and your back left are spinning counterclockwise. Make sure that the convex part of your propeller is facing upward. Step number 3 is installing the props onto the motors, and this is where I see the common mistakes. The first one is people install it on the wrong hole. A lot of people install it on the side and not the center hole, which is where you're supposed to install it. As you guys can see right here, we got the shaft of the motor, and you want to install it carefully into the center hole. The second step that I see where people have issues is they're not pushing in the center. People push in the side, and once you bend the prop, it goes bad. And in order to prevent that, you want to go ahead and push the prop all the way to the bottom from the center. So after you have installed all your props correctly, now we're ready for step 4, which is double checking. So right before you take off, you want to go ahead and do a quick check and make sure that all your propellers are installed correctly. In order to do that, you go ahead and turn on your controller, make sure it's bound, and just slightly give it throttle. After step 4, that's it. You have installed the propellers correctly and now you're ready to fly. So like and follow for more FPV tips.